Sandalwood anta karibodu. Adre Mysore Sandalwood has got a great legacy of 108 years. We now request the Honorable Minister and dignitaries to kindly launch a coffee table book which is named Aromatic Journeys. Prayana, Aromatic na Prayanada, a coffee table book which contains memories.
ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಅನಾವರಣ. We also have Sugandha Siri, ಕನ್ನಡ version of the same book, Sugandha Siri ಮತ್ತು Aromatic Journey.
KSDL Sugandha Siri ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರು
ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರಿಕೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. 108 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಿದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Absolutely, and I am sure the media friends will be happy that they are getting some photograph on the stage. The audience are able to see this, so we have almost done with all the lunches today. The born of a new era, the born of a new tradition mixed with modernity. ಆಧುನಿಕತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಮ್ಮಿಲನ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೂ ತಲುಪಲಿ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಕೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ವುಡ್ ಡೂ ವೆಲ್ ಟು send the message and percolate Mysore Sandalwood throughout the world.
We also have the products for photo op. Mysore Sandal soap products na kuda ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. It's a matter of huge pride and honor to be a part of the KSDL family. What they have shown me today is so much warmth and love. And to be honest, that's what my career in the past 20 years has been all about. I don't think I could have gotten this far as an artist if I didn't continuously get this kind of love and support from the audiences, from the country, and from Indians all across the globe. And today I feel like after 20 years of being in the film industry, it's a new chapter in my life as an artist. And I'm so excited that in this very new phase where I take on new roles, new challenges and new responsibilities, I get to be the face of Mysore Sandal Soap. A soap that's not just a soap, it is an emotion. It is our childhood, it is nostalgia. And I always wondered, how can something so nostalgic still be so relevant? And the only thought that crossed my mind was that when it was made with authenticity and the truth. And there's only one thing that doesn't change, and that is the truth. And I feel like that is the core philosophy behind Mysore Sandal Soap, being absolutely unbeatable in the market. Technology can improve, many more brands can come into the market, but Mysore Sandal Soap has a very, very strong and special place in people's hearts. It's the feeling that people, when they wake up in the morning and when they experience the soap, the feeling that they leave with and spend their entire day, that is just something that I don't think that's tangible. And yeah, I feel extremely honored, extremely lucky. And thank you, MB Patil sir. Namaste. Very nice to meet you. It's such a special occasion and you've made time for this. This means the world to us and we're so excited that you've come here to grace our event. And yeah, we're very, very honored to have you here. Thank you so much for having me. I'm looking forward to further interaction.
Yeah, we request you to kindly stay back on stage, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು-
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಕೆಲವರು ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರಿ. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರಲಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ತಮನ್ನಾ ಭಾಟಿಯಾ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Can we have a thunderous round of applause for this momentous occasion? A legacy of 108 years being carried forward for generations to come. A phase that will take KSDL pan-India and across the globe.
She started off her film movie career way back in 2005. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Sorry audience, you will have to watch it on the big screen. So 2005 ನಲ್ಲಿ Hindi ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ she started off. Thereafter, on the same year, she entered the Telugu and has carved a niche for herself. More than close to 30 million followers.
Yeah, and she has also received numerous awards, SAIMA, national awards, to name a few. Indeed shows what a personality, what an influence that she has on people.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರೇ ಅಂತ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್.